Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is all about the Insta360 X3. I've never owned a 360 degrees camera, I've never used the Insta camera, so this should be interesting. This video is just literally me unboxing it and showing you guys what comes in the packaging, what literally comes with. I paid 459 UK pounds for it, so I'm going to show you what you get with it, and then in a few days I'm going to do another video on using this. I'm keen to test out the camera on this as well actually. Apparently it's a 72 megapixel camera, so that should be interesting. But yeah, let's get to unboxing this. Amazon. Such a big box, such a smaller box. Alright, so we've got the 360 camera. Let's see what we get inside of it. Alright, so already it says on the box, in the box, it's not even in English. Actually, is you get the 360 free with a charge cable, protective pouch, quick start guide, and a lens cloth. So let's do this. Yeah. So there you guys, there's the box, you guys can see. Alright, straight away the camera's there. You guys can see it. Alright, like I said, I've never owned one of these before. Actually quite small, quite handy. I've used the GoPro for action camera, for my action camera before, but never used one of these. So, you've got the camera. Got another little box here. See what's inside of that. Just the cable to charge it up with, like a USB-C or USB to USB-C. Just a little carrier bag or carrier pouch. It's quite handy. And then the guide. So let's have a look at the 360. Sit there, let's see what we get inside of it. Okay, so this pocket here is literally for the charger. So the charger port goes in there. Next we take this label off there. And then we've got two ports. Okay, so you undo both ports. And the battery comes out, so that's the battery there. And then inside you have the SD case or the SD holder. You guys can see it. Other side we have the power and we have the Q button, then we've got the two lenses. So this is the Insta360. I'm going to do some road testing with it this week. Guys, stay tuned, please subscribe, please like this video. Yeah, please subscribe if you want to see this camera in action. Also have some GoPro Hero 11 videos coming out, so subscribe and stay tuned for that too. Alright, let's go!